mukbang. First time ko lang ulit mag-street food kasi nagutom talaga ako. Tsaka umay na ako sa Jollibee. Local. Local din naman yung Jollibee. Sobrang laki ng siomay. Hindi lang to siomay eh. Habang pinapanood nyo to, kumain na kayo. Grabe yung laman niya. Panyang-panya. Yung normal na size lang ng siomay pero ngayon, Next is kikiam. Sobrang dami niyan. Grabe. Tama na sa ka-cafe. OG ang street food. Okay, next but not the least. Next and last pala siya. Egg waffles, please. Gawain ko talaga dito. Tatanggalin ko muna yung balat. Tsaka ko ititira yung itlog. Weirdo. Ay! Topaw na ata to eh. Sobrang laki.
Kain na tayo. Sinangag. Gusto ko yung tostado yung garlic. Hi guys! So for today's kain serye, we have Pinoy Almusal. Nag-crave ako dito. Chat ko si Kuya Rabs. Ni-share ko talaga yung mga breakfast mukbang. Log na pula yung kamatis. Skinless. Tayong talong. Eggy. Hatog. Kain na tayo! Harap. Thank you. Grabe yun, sarap love. Kain tayo. Guys, hi guys. Sobrang okay. Philippines na tayo. Kaya meron na tayong ganito. Kakauwi ko lang. Kakasundo lang sa akin ni Kuya Rebs.
Ano ako? Bawal ang potato corner dun.
Nakatulog sa airplano. Pag-ising ko lahat ng gusto kong orderin doon sa may plane.
Samantalang ang bilis kumapit.
Tulog.
Plane kayo, tapos may mga layover pa.
Today, let's eat my craving. Sobrang nag-crave ako for salad stuff. So, ayan. Bumili kami ng salad stuff. Halo-halo ng zagu. Sarap. Kain. Choco butternut. We're going to Hong Kong! Say hi. Hello! Guys, we just arrived. I'm wearing my pajamas. And I'm gonna sleep here. Orchids. Wow.
The little Venus flytrap.
Birds on the window. We can push our way through it.
Okay, so my phone died and I can't record the rest of what happened yesterday, but we're having lunch.
So big boy.
Okay, nice, guys.
Ooh, they have stamps.
Biko. Hi guys, so for today, we're here at Grizzled Chicken sa kanilang Maginhawa branch. Ito yung menu nila. This cheese. We're going to try this newest product. Yeah. Biko. Nakikita niyo kung gaano kalaki yung chicken. Mas malaki pa sa face ko. Snow cheese. Ang laki. Look guys. Different branch. So what are you waiting for? Visit na dito sa Grizzled Chicken dahil silang masasabi ko. Prove to kay Danny!
Akong papa guys.
Belum manig guys, unsa ni? Cerelac.
Credit po kasi nagbuhat.
Bullshit.
Ngano nagbuhat man daw eh. Kailangan na bullshit naman po ka.
Morning! Breakfast tayo! Bumili si Kuya Rebs ng, eto ang tawag ko. Kutsinta. Tapos, nag-cook siya ng breakfast. Almo tayo.
Salad dressing.
Hotdog.
Sige.
Kasi lang sa kaya.
Color yellow na. Parang translucent.
Oh, yummers, kain tayo. Be, kumain nga tayo. Bilang reward system, meron ako ditong 24 chickens, no cheese, 3 pieces. Oh my God, guys, parang bigla nawala yung pagod ko. Ang sarap nito, eh. Meron tayo ditong 24 chickens, no cheese, with kimchi rice and fried egg. Sarap. First bite. Kimchi rice. Hindi nila tinipid yung kimchi rice. Last bite. Hindi ko kayang ubusin yung kimchi rice. Sobrang daming kimchi. Ang ala. Anyway, super sarap. Finally, nakakain na rin. Kanina super duper gutom talaga ako and super duper pagod talaga galing sa school. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, thank you so much. Kamsahamnida. Bye, guys. Kain tayo. Meron tayo ditong giant siomai and mega potato corner. Lagyan muna natin ng chili oil at saka toyo. Ooh. Oh my God, ang sarap. Chili oil. Kaunta? First bite. Last bite. Yun lang guys, naubusan na tayo ng oras. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye guys! See you in my next one. Comment down below kung anong next dahil wala na talagang oras. Time is ticking. Bye-bye! Super cheesy. Oh. Meron akong rin ditong samyang buldak with Korean luncheon meat na naman. Ewan ko pero parang addict na ata ako sa buldak. Crave ako ng crave nito. Kaunta? First bite. Sobrang cheesy. Kita nyo kung gaano ka-cheesy yan. Last bite. Ay, super busog. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed this one. If you enjoyed, thank you so much. Bye-bye. See you in my next. Ang sarap. Kaunta ko ngayon ditong DIY creamy spinach pizza dahil nakabili ako ng creamy spinach dip dito sa TikTok shop. Ayun yung itsura niya. Nilagyan ko siya ng cheese, mozzarella cheese, and Eden cheese. Ooh. Ooh. First bite. Sarap. Last bread. Last bite. Oh my god guys, ang sarap niya guys. Actually yung ginamit ko is ito, galing to dito sa TikTok shop, yung Presato dip, creamy spinach dip. Ang sarap niya talaga guys, promise. Kung gusto niyo i-check out to, search nyo na lang sa TikTok B kasi wala ata akong yellow bus. Or thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye! This place has one of the most underrated chicken inasal in Bacolod. So I went to Amore Grill and Resto to try out their food and pagpasok mo pa lang yung ambience, alam mo yung parang Sunday lunch vibe with family. They also have a wide selection of food options kaya here's everything I ate at Amore Grill and Resto. Starting off, I tried their mais con yelo and guys, grabe, sobrang sarap nito. I think yung yelo na ginagamit nila dito is gatas. Kaya guys, hindi siya sobrang tamis pero very milky. Ito yung type ng mais con yelo na hindi siya matabang and you'll actually enjoy dahil lahat is may lasa. Super creamy and super sarap dahil hindi puro yelo. Next is their grilled blue marlin. Ito na shock ako dahil super soft and hindi siya dry. Yung ibang mga blue marlin kasi yung tendency minsan nagiging dry siya, but this one super soft and super juicy, hindi nabitin sa flavor. Next up is their chicken inasal. As a Bacolod local, I was shocked kung gaano ka-flavorful yung chicken inasal nila. I would say isa to sa mga underrated chicken inasal in Bacolod. Very sulit din dahil for 160 to 175 pesos, only rice na rin tong chicken inasal na to. Like sa lahat ng mga kinain ko dito, ito yung babalikan ko, promise. I also tried their buttered garlic shrimp, but I would say yung buttered garlic shrimp nila is parang same lang din sa ibang mga buttered garlic shrimp. Masarap naman siya, especially yung sauce. Promise yung sauce itong buttered garlic shrimp nila, pang ulam na. Pero kung i-compare sa ibang mga buttered garlic shrimp, I think parang same lang din naman. Pero overall, na-enjoy ko rin naman tong buttered garlic shrimp nila. Kita nyo naman kung gaano ako kasarap na sarap sa pagkain nila, especially yung chicken inasal. Hindi ako magsha-shut up dyan. Pero to add everything, I've had their cucumber juice, and yung cucumber juice nila, okay lang naman. Lasang cucumber juice. Overall, this place is a really great place to eat, especially kung kasama nyo yung pamilya nyo. Like the food, the vibe, the place, super duper sulit, especially kung lalabas kayo kasama yung pamilya nyo. So if you're visiting Bacolod or kakain na kayo kasama yung pamilya nyo, you should probably save this for your next food trip.